Hello, welcome to this short video that is about phonics class. My name is Gracie Felix and it's a pleasure to me to share with you this information. Today we are going to talk about two beautiful consonant sound, that is t and d sound. T and d sound. Excellent. To produce this sound in a correct way, it's very important to follow the rules step by step. In this case, let's start with t sound. T sound as in to, time, stop, ate, walked. If you can observe, all those words include the t sound. The first rule, the tip of your tongue. Press the tip of your tongue. Open your gum ridge. The tip of your tongue. Open. To what? To stop the flow of air. And then quickly drop the tongue and produce the sound. Excellent. And produce this sound. Poof. You have to feel the poof of air. But something important is that your vocal cord do not vibrate, because this consonant sound is unvoiced consonant sound. One recommendation here is to hold a piece of paper to feel the poof of air. Okay? Remember, the tip of your tongue, open your gum ridge, and after quickly drop the tongue tip and produce this sound. Sound. And if you can touch your glottis, not vibration. Okay, do not vibrate because it's unvoiced consonant sound. Another rules that is about another consonant sound is the sound. The sound as in do, dark, candy, need, cold. All the words include that the sound. Nice. This sound is produced the same way as t sound, except that the sound is voiced. Okay, remember the t sound is unvoiced, and the sound is voiced sound. In the same way, you have to press the tip of your tongue, open your gum ridge, okay, the tip of your tongue, open your gum ridge, and produce the sound. The puff of air is not strong that for sound. It's not strong. And your vocal cord in this sound, this specific sound, have to vibrate. For example, to know and to confirm the vibration, you can touch your glottis when you produce this sound. D. Okay? D. 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 If you can see, your vocal cords vibrate because this specific sound is voiced consonant sound. Excellent. Next, The next one, this website, I recommend this website when you will have the opportunity to practice many words with consonant sound. You will have the time to repeat the word after the teacher. Many words that include consonant sound include this consonant sound at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. And you will have the opportunity to learn this sound in many words in this video. Please, you have to visit this website. Another website that is about, that I recommend, it's about the consonant sound. It's the same. Many words that include this consonant sound at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. And you will have the opportunity to practice many words with this sound. Remember, to produce this sound, you have to follow the rules step by step and use the correct position of your articulators, okay, the part of your human body to produce those sound in a correct way. Excellent. As I say in the first video, it's very important to include some exercise after you teach theory, right? To put in practice the theory. In this case, this exercise include the two sound. Okay. Remember the two sound are t and d sound. Excellent. In this exercise, the student have to classify the word according to their sound. If you can remember, we learned about the sound of those two words. And after watch the video, we know that words that contain sound and the word that contain the sound. And in this box, we have just classified those words. In the column A, for example, the student have to write all the words that include, that are in this box. The student have to classify. In this column A, all the words, student have to write all the words that include sound. And in the column B, student have to write all the word with d sound. Okay? It's very easy. For example, plant, plant, sound, sound, right? Okay, right in a column B, column A, sorry. Need, need, in the column A, because contain the sound of the sound. Excellent, and that's it. And follow to the another and complete the box with another words. The next exercise, it's about this song. This song written by John Lennon, Imagine, is a beautiful song, and the activity that I developed with this song is the students identify into the song all the words that include sound and d sound. If you can observe here, we have the space of any words, many words, okay, that are missing, and the student have to discover which words But one tip to do about those words is that include each word, each missing word in this song, include the t sound and the sound. And the student just have complete this song and continue practicing the both consonants. And I hope you enjoy this short video, and thanks very much. See you.